This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the clip and assessing motion. If the camera moves, stabilize first so the object path is predictable. Once done, duplicate the layer to protect the original and draw a rough mask tightly around the object you want gone. Make sure to feather that mask between 10 and 30 pixels so edges blend. You're acting now. Isolate the object, keep tracking points visible, and prepare to refine the mask frame by frame for accurate removal. You'll now track the object's motion and transfer that motion to your mask so it follows precisely. Use point or planar tracking depending on surface. If tracking drifts, correct keyframes every 3 to 10 frames and adjust mask expansion to avoid haloing. Once the mask follows correctly, choose content-aware fill for textured backgrounds or paint and clone from nearby areas for simple backgrounds. Be methodical. Check overlapping frames, and blend painted finish by rendering a short test loop and scrutinizing edges, shadows, and motion blur so the removed object doesn't leave a telltale trace. If the fill looks flat, add light matching, subtle grain, and reapply slight stabilization to align motion characteristics. When artifacts appear, like ghosting or color shifts, retract the segment, increase feather slightly, or switch to manual cloning for problem frames. If nothing fixes it, step back. Isolate the problematic frame, and correct it frame by frame until the sequence reads now.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.